Driver. What's up, guys? So we decided to come up this trail. Can't really tell in the video, but it's really steep. I decided to stop, which was a really bad idea. Solid ice, so slippery. So I stopped. We started to slide it back. It was super scary. I went off to the side a little bit, got a little bit of grip, pulled in here, took a breather. Now we're gonna go down. A little scary, but the idea here is not to follow the tire marks, because where the tire marks are at, it's completely frozen. So I'm gonna put one tire here, another tire here to try to get grip, and we're gonna go slowly down. Let's get it.